Hello, good morning, बच्चों. Now I am taking the remaining question of the exercise third B. This is our exercise third B. Okay, and one formula I am explaining here. This is the important thing. Please note down in your notebook. And those are the lazy person. They can copy. Yeah, they can write their work from any other notebooks. Okay. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. You prove that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. इट इज जस्ट अ फॉर्मूला, एक फॉर्मूला है, ये हम लोगों को प्रूव करना है. देखते हैं कैसे इसको प्रूव करते हैं. फॉर्मूला है आपके पास, ठीक है. इस पे न्यूमेरिकल भी हैं बहुत सारे. तो नाउ द फर्स्ट a plus b plus c is equal to 0. तो on taking this question a plus b plus c is equal to 0, तो let a plus b is equal to, and we take this is equal to minus c. yes sir, minus c ले सकते हैं. now the formula is in the form of the cube, तो so we have to cube in both side. तो cubing on both side, तो a plus b whole cube is equal to minus c and just its whole cube, cubing on both side. And as you know that formula of a cube plus b cube is equal to, the formula of a plus b cube is equal to a plus b cube is equal to, this is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. तो कितना हो गया सर? ये a cube plus b cube plus 3ab is common out, so a plus b is remaining. We know that we can write this thing in that system. So now a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then a plus b is equal to minus c, and then just is cube 3 बार minus, तो then remaining say minus. okay, and now a cube plus b cube, okay, तो a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, and as you know that at the starting what is the value of a plus b? The value of a plus b we have taken here, this is minus c, so then it become minus c is equal to minus c cube. So then a cube plus b cube plus this is 3ab and minus c, तो plus multiplication here, तो 3abc and minus plus minus is equal to minus c cube. So taking c cube in left hand side or 3ab in right hand side, so finally we will get our answer a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to right hand side is 3abc. Hence proved. This is the formula, and 2 or 3 questions are based on this formula. Means we can directly write if you have given the value of, if you have given the value of abc या any number, that time we need that value, this formula. okay sir, ये question है आपके पास. now I am taking the question number 1 is completed, 2 is 2 also completed, 1 and 2 also completed. now this is the timing of the question number third. 8x cube plus 84x square y plus 294x y square plus 343 y cube if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. okay, this is our formula question. and हमें किसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है? कैलकुलेट इट मींस फाइनल आंसर निकालना आपको x और y की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद भी. ठीक है सर, x y और y की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है और हमें फाइनल आंसर कैलकुलेट करना है. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट 4096. वन थिंग यू कैन डू हियर, यू कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ 1 हियर. इस 1 की वैल्यू पुट कर दो, एक ऑप्शन. y की वैल्यू भी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. okay, you can solve this question by the two way. on solving means we have to find our answer in the numerical value. so numerical value x is given, y is equal to given, substitute the value of x and y. so this is the first method. 8, what is the x? it is 1. so 8 1 cube, then plus 84 into 1 into y is 2. okay, then plus 294 into 1 into 2 square, and then plus 343 into y cube is 2 cube. so on solving the everything here we will get our answer 8 plus 84, this is multiply. okay, 84 multiply by 2, so 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16. next plus 294 multiply by 4, 294 multiply by 4, so then it become 4 4 is 16 का 6 carry 1, and 4 9 is 36 and 1 37 carry 3, and 4 2 is 8 or 3 11, and plus 3 4 3 into 8, it is 8. तो इसका मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो ये होगा आपके पास 8 3 24 कैरी 2, 8 4 32 33 34 कैरी 3, and 8 3 जा 24 और 3 27 27444. So on solving this thing we can get your answer 4 6 and 8 and 8 और 8 16 4 20 और 6 26 carry 2. Okay, next second digit 4 और 7 11 11 और 6 17 17 और 2 19 carry 1. Next 7 and 1 8 1 9 and 1 10 0 carry 1. Okay, 2 and 1 3 and 1 4. So 4096 is the solution of this question. 4096. Okay, this is our answer, but it is a simple method. This is the simple method, simple one. Okay, good morning to all of you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. But it is the simple one, and if you want to make it a difficult, अगर आपको दूसरे मेथड से करना है, okay, तो अगर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आता है using the algebraic formulas या using the algebraical properties, तो solve it. अभी तो यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, it is given that only solve it. और आपको सिर्फ solve करना है. तो substitute the value of x and y in the given question, then you can calculate your answer. But if the question is calculate the same question by using the property of algebraic expression, and as you know that algebraic expression means a plus b whole square a minus b whole square, ये वाली property यूज करनी है. तो the question is 8x cube plus 84x square y plus 294 x y square and plus 343 y cube. Okay, so as you know that the formula of a plus b whole cube, because it is in the form of the expansion of a plus b whole cube, means it this become, when you write in the smallest form, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं 2x whole cube. Can you tell me, can we write this thing 2x cube? क्या इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं? Same here, what is the y cube? Y के टर्म में ये वाला y के टर्म में, then this is 7 and then y whole cube means a cube plus b cube. Formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab then bracket a plus b. Yeah, in this way, yeah, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. ब्रैकेट में नहीं है तो फिलहाल इसको साइड करो. ये वाली फॉर्म की बने a cube. Now first is a cube b cube. So what is the a 2x and b is 7y. Next plus 3a square b. So plus 3a square b means 3 into a. What is the a? A is 2x. So 2x and its square and b is 7y. तो देखो जरा कितना आएगा. This is 3 into 4x square into 7y. So then sir, this is 4 3 ja 12 and 12 7 ja 84x square y. 84x square y. इसको क्या लिखोगे? 3 into 2x and whole square into 7y. And next this last part, ये कौन सा हो गया? 3ab square. So 3 into a. What is our a? A is 2x and b is 7y and its whole square. So then 3 to the 6 into x 49 into y square. When we multiply this thing, so we will get 6 9 जा 54. 4 के टर्म्स में आ रहा है, तो इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? प्लस 3 into 2x into 7y and then its whole square. And as you know that इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? This is a plus b whole cube. So same here, this is what is the a 2x. So 2x plus b is 3y. So 3y and its whole cube. Now substitute the value one by one here because it become an easy way. Okay, ये easy form बन गई है. So 2 into what is the x? X is equal to 1. So 2 multiply 1 plus 3 multiply. What is that y? Y is 2. Y is 2. तो कितना हो गया? Outside is whole cube. तो 2 1 जा 2 plus 3 2 जा 6. 6 और 2 8 and 8 8 जा 64. ये थोड़ा कुछ मिस्टेक हो गई सर, कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गई है. 7x 2x plus 7y. हाँ ये 7y है. This is 7y. This is 7y. So 7 into 2 and 7 2 जा 14 and 14 or 2 16. Okay, 16 and whole cube. So when you expand the whole cube of 16, you will get your answer 4096. Hope you understand this thing. How can you solve it? And the second part also same one. And the second part also same. And please share this video. Now question number 4. This is the turn of question number 4. Question number 4. The question number 4 is first part. a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube means calculate it. If we have given the value a plus b is equal to 3 and ab is equal to 3, ab is equal to 3, and as you know that the formula is given in the terms of a plus b whole cube. And what is the formula of a plus b whole cube? Means can you write this thing in the terms of any formula? So then formula is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3, एक होता है 3a स्क्वायर b प्लस 3ab स्क्वायर. तो ab is given, तो हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस 3ab is common out. Then what is remaining? a is remaining and here b also remaining. तो a plus b whole cube. So on using this formula a plus b whole cube. So what is the a plus b? A plus b is equal to 3. So then 3 and outside is cube. 3 and outside is it is cube. Outside is cube. Next is equal to, हमें इसकी वैल्यू चाहिए a cube plus b cube, तो it will remain same, a cube plus b cube plus 3. What is the value of ab? ab is equal to 3 and again a plus b is coming. So what is the a plus b? This is 3. So then 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27 is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. So a plus a cube plus b cube, its answer is 0. कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया क्या? क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 फर्स्ट पार्ट 9 आंसर है. अच्छा हाँ, इट इज 0. तो a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, a क्यूब प्लस okay, this is the answer. And when you change the value of ab according to the book, okay, now this is the second question. If you are changing this value 2, अब इसको change करो. तो when we have given ab is equal to 3, तो that time its value is 0. But when you have given this value is 2, ये अगर 2 है तो ab is equal to 2, तो here become 2 to 3 into 2, then here also 3 into 2, तो 3 2 जा 6 and 6 3 जा 18. So then a cube plus b cube is equal to 27 minus 18. So a cube plus b cube is equal to, the answer is 9. Okay, answer is 9. Next, second part, second also same. Second part, if x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to, calculate it if the value of x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. ये वैल्यू आपके पास गिवन है, x plus 1 by x is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 and calculate the value of x plus 1 by x. ये भी मैंने फॉर्मूला एक्सप्लेन किया. You know that a plus b whole cube. So what is the formula of x plus 1 by x whole cube? ये पहचान आना चाहिए. We have given the question in the terms of the cube. Cube के टर्म में तो so we will apply here the formula of the cube. So it is a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube plus this is क्या होता है 3ab. 3ab means x into 1 by x and then a plus b. Okay, ये फॉर्मूला है 3x into 1 by x and then bracket it is x plus 1 by x, the right answer. Okay, इस फॉर्मूले का यूज करते हैं. तो फाइनली द फॉर्मूला इज 1 by x whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus x and x cancel, so 3 is remaining and x plus 1 by x. So we can use this formula and we can calculate our answer. So x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x, this value is 3. So then 3 outside is cube. Next, x cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube plus 1 by x cube. We need the value of this part and plus 3 into x plus 1 by x. 3 into x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. So now substituting 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27 is equal to, taking this part in left hand side, minus 9 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. So finally x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 18. The answer is 18. So this is the solution of this question. Okay, now the remaining part is x cube minus 1 by x if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 18. If we have given x square plus y square is equal to 1 by Okay, now I am giving one question for you and write in the comment section what is the value of this question within a minimum time. Okay, take your rough copy, pen, and send the solution of this question, because maybe this is the last exercise of this chapter, and then after that chapter is finished, then tomorrow I will start your new chapter. 2-3 questions are remaining. I am solving this one, but one simple question for you. Okay, tell me what is the value of this part. इसकी value कितनी होगी sir? Write in the comment section. If you have given x minus x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 1. So what is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? And write in the comment section immediately what is the value of, if x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 1, so what is the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube? Within a minimum time, write your answer in the comment section. What is the value of this question? Please send your answer in the comment section. What is the value of this part? Please write your answer in the comment section. What is the value of this part? Okay, 8 Pratham Gosai, your answer is 8. One answer is coming from the side of Pratham Gosai. Pratham, please check your answer. Answers are coming different answers. Okay, please, I request all the students, please check your answer first, then after that send your answer. First of all, please check your answer, then after that send your answer. Minus 1, Vikram Singh is minus 1. X cube plus 1 by x cube. We need the value of this part. Okay, good. So many answers are coming, very good. Minus 4. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, so many answers are coming. So now I am solving this thing. This is x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 1, and as you know that the formula is x plus 1 by x, its whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube, then plus this is 3ab common out, 3 into bracket x plus 1 by x1. This is our formula. Okay, ये formula हमारे पास होता है, इसको solve करो. What is the x plus 1 by x? Minus 1, and outside is cube. We need the value of this part, x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into minus 1. The value of this part is minus 1. So then it is minus 1. Taking this part in left hand side, this is plus minus. अच्छा देख लो, x cube plus 1 by x cube and then minus 3. So taking minus 3 in left hand side, so minus 1 and plus 3 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. So what is our final value? 3 minus 1. So answer is 2. Minus 1 plus 3. Answer is equal to 2. So please do the correction in your answers. This is answer is 2. Okay. Sir, 4 is correct answer according to me. 2 is right answer. Sir, 2 is the right answer. Please check your answer. 2 is the right answer. Okay. Yes sir, 2. 2 sir, 4. If 4 is possible, when, listen here, if this is the 3, if it is positive 3, so then positive 3 you will take left hand side, that time this is negative 4. Okay, but it is x plus 1 by x, its value is minus 1. तो minus 1 है तो ये कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Now take this minus 1 minus 3 in right hand side, it become positive. तो 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So what will be the answer? Minus 4 या 2 या 4? बहुत सारे बच्चों के आंसर 4 भी हैं. Yes, misunderstand. Okay, very good. Okay, the answer is, your answer is 2. So please careful when you are solving any question. उस समय थोड़ा ध्यान रखा करो. These are the basic mistakes. Okay. Silly mistake है सारी चीजें. Now the question number 4, third part. Question number 4, third part. X cube minus 1 by x cube, and if calculate it, if you have given x square plus 1 by x square, is equal to 18. X cube minus 1 by x cube if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 18. This thing is given and with the help of this part can we calculate the x cube minus 1 x cube. अच्छा आप लोगों को पता है if we apply the formula of a minus x minus 1 by x whole cube so that time we will not get the square. अगर आप formula apply करो 1 minus x whole cube so then it is a cube plus b cube x cube then minus ओके यहाँ पे प्लस एंड 3ab मींस 3x into a minus b. ये कुछ फॉर्मूला आपके पास बनता है, यही बनता है ना, a plus b a minus a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. ये फॉर्मूले मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम भी एक्सप्लेन किए थे. ओके तो दिस इज बट इट सॉरी ये मिस्टेक हो गई. दिस इज a minus x means x minus 1 upon x whole cube, x minus 1 by x whole cube. So this is x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 1 by x cube then minus 3a minus b. क्या बनेगा आपका फाइनली minus 3x into 1 by x. किसका बनाओ कब हो जाएगा तुरंत x into 1 by x then again a minus b, again a minus b means x minus 1 by x. This is our formula. But if you are using directly this formula, so we have not given the value of x minus 1 by x. इसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है, ये कैंसिल हो गया एंड इट इज नॉट गिवन है. ओके तो वी कैन नॉट यूज डायरेक्ट दिस फॉर्मूला. तो सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड द वैल्यू ऑफ x minus 1 by x. तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस थिंग कैन यू कैलकुलेट द एनी आंसर. तो सर वी हैव गिवन सॉल्यूशन, we have given x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 18. x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 18. ये आपके पास गिवन है. ओके तो as you know that x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to, what is the x plus 1 by x whole square? तो x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x means 2. So what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square? This is 18. 18 plus 2 20. So x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to, finally this is 20. So x plus 1 by x is equal to root 20, x by root 20. But listen one more thing, here are the two method. अब मैंने इससे सॉल्व किया तो it is the value of x plus 1 by x, but we need the x minus x cube minus 1 by x cube. तो कब मिलेगा ये, जब हमारे पास ये वैल्यू किस चीज की होगी, नेगेटिव वैल्यू होगी. तो सो वी विल नेग्लेक्ट दिस पार्ट, हम इससे नहीं सॉल्व करेंगे. अब हम लोगों को कौन सा मेथड अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, माइनस टर्म वाला. ओके माइनस वाला. तो यू नो दैट x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to a square plus b square then minus 2ab. तो minus 2 into x into 1 by x, तो x cancel minus 2. तो देखो तो what is the value of x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. It is given that 18. So 18 minus 2, so 18 minus 2, so then it is 16. So then x minus 1 by x is equal to root 16. तो x minus 1 by x is equal to 4. फिलहाल इसको 4 ले सकते हैं. ये चीजें आपके पास है सर. ओके तो पॉजिटिव नहीं लेना है यहाँ पे. व्हाई वी आर नॉट टेकिंग द पॉजिटिव, व्हेन यू एक्सपेंड दिस थिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ द क्यूब, बिकॉज़ वी नीड द वैल्यू ऑफ द क्यूब. तो इट इज पॉजिटिव और हमारे पास सारी टर्म किस में बनेंगी, x क्यूब प्लस 1 by x क्यूब प्लस ऐसा कुछ बनेगा. बट दिस इज पॉजिटिव एंड वी नीड द नेगेटिव टर्म. तो सो वी विल नेग्लेक्ट दिस पार्ट. इससे नहीं करना है सॉल्व. ओके तो सो आई एम टेकिंग द नेगेटिव पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. माइंड में क्वेश्चन आता है, द क्वेश्चन विल अराइज ऑन योर माइंड, व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग द नेगेटिव नंबर्स हियर, पॉजिटिव से क्यों नहीं किया. तो सो आई एम टेकिंग द नेगेटिव बिकॉज़ इट इज x minus 1 by x. नाउ यू कैन अप्लाई द फार्मूला ऑफ x minus 1 by x whole cube. तो x minus x whole cube. ओके ये वाली जो वैल्यू है, क्यूबिंग ऑन बोथ साइड, ये बोल सकते हैं क्यूबिंग ऑन बोथ साइड. तो क्यूबिंग ऑन बोथ साइड इट मींस x minus 1 by x whole cube is equal to the cube of 4. तो what is the formula of a minus b whole cube? The formula of a minus b whole cube, this is means a minus b, it is a cube minus 1 by b cube minus ये होगा 3 into x into 1 by x then bracket x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x is equal to, for 4 जा 16, 4 जा 64. This x is cancel out, so 3 is remaining here. तो so I am taking 3. Okay now अब किसकी वैल्यू चाहिए, हमें इसकी वैल्यू चाहिए, इस वाले पार्ट की. तो taking substitute the value of the remaining part, x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3. The x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x we already find in the previous part. This is 4. Okay equal to 64 and 4 3 ja 4 3 4 ja 12. Okay 3 4 जा 12, तो x cube minus 1 by x cube is equal to 64 plus 12. तो answer is, what is the x cube minus 1 by x cube? So this is 6 and 7. Answer is 76. So the answer of this part is 76. Okay, अब 76 में दो चीजें आएंगी सर, ध्यान रखना. When you read about the square root, when you read about the quadratic equation, as you know that the highest power of the quadratic equation is 2. Okay, so if any equation, if highest power is 2, so that time we will get our two answer. One be positive and second is negative. Okay, so this is the square of the x. पूरे ये x minus 1 by x, it is square. तो when you remove this root from here, यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, प्लस वैल्यू एंड माइनस वैल्यू, प्लस वैल्यू एंड माइनस वैल्यू. तो इसको भी लेके चलो, ये कितना हो गया? दिस इज प्लस माइनस, मींस एक टाइम प्लस लेना है, एक बार माइनस लेना है. सेम हियर, यहाँ पे भी कितना हो जाएगा? प्लस माइनस. ओके, हियर आल्सो प्लस माइनस, हियर आल्सो आउटसाइड इज प्लस माइनस. Then finally our answer will be plus minus, means one value will be positive 76 and second value is negative 76. Okay, so hope you understand this thing. But good morning sir, Abhishek Varun, good morning. But I think you are watching this video very late, so I request all the students, please watch the video at the proper time. जब भी time दिया है 7:50, because today our classes are late. Okay, so I just changed our time, but always your classes started at 7:30 between 7:40. So I request each and everyone on the time, because be punctual for your study. And the next part is fourth part. Fourth is x cube plus 1 by 25 x cube. X cube plus 1 by 25 x cube. Okay, this is also same question. Calculate the value of this part. And if you have given x square plus 1 by 25 x square is equal to 8 whole 3 by 5. So we can write 8 5 is 40 or 43 by 5. And what is our last question? Last question जैसा था कुछ x cube minus 1 by x cube, and if x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 18. This is our last question. But now this time question is changed. Okay, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? Can we write this thing in the terms of x cube plus 1 by 5x का whole cube? Can we write this thing? X cube plus 1 by 25x cube. Yes sir. Same here. Can we write this thing? X square plus 1 by 5x whole square. Then 40 by 43 by 5. Now tell me, this is the repeated question. This is our last question, and now it is our this present question. In the last previous part, we have to calculate x cube minus 1 by x cube, and this is positive, but this is time of the positive, and the question is x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 20 in the last question, and the present time the question is x square plus. तो same है ना? It means जब formula यहाँ पे starting में use होगा, तो which formula we can use here? So we can use the positive formula, because we need negative positive formula. तो चलिए सर सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. फर्स्ट ये वाला पार्ट गिवन आपके पास. Which part? This part is given. The given that x square plus 1 by, can we write this thing is 5x whole square, then is equal to 43 by 5. ये आपके पास है. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करोगे सर? In the last part we have given x square plus 1 by x square. X square plus 1 by x square given था. So we have taken here, this is a and this is b, but in this time a is x and b is 5x is 5x. So x plus 1 by 5x and its whole square. What is the whole square? Since formula, ये formula के according लिख रहा हूँ. Okay, this thing is given, but I am taking from myself x plus 1 by 5x its whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by 25x square. Okay, then plus 2 into x into 1 by 5x. So x cancel. So then x square, the value of this part x square plus 1 by 25x square, its value is 43 by 5. 43 by 5 plus 2 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. Then LCM is 5 and 43 are 2, 45. So 45 by 5. So then finally x plus 1 by 5x and square is equal to 5 9 are 45. So then x plus 1 by 5x is equal to root 9, and root 9 is 3, and I told to you when you are removing the root and the algebraic expression is given, square is given, so that time we will take the two value, one is positive and second is negative. So x plus 1 by 5x is equal to 3. ओके, तो बट अब हमें ये वाला पार्ट बनाना है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव लिया. इफ दिस इज नेगेटिव वी विल टेक द नेगेटिव फॉर्मूला हियर. तो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज since here x plus 1 by 5x is equal to 3, so cubing on both sides, so cubing on both sides, so then x plus 1 by 5x and outside is whole cube and is equal to plus minus then 3 and its cube, plus minus 3 and its cube. So then sir it is expanded a plus b whole cube, so a cube plus b cube means 5 5 is 25 का cube, 5 5 is 25, then 125. Okay, so 125 x cube. So now we will get this form. Okay, 125 a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b and is equal to plus minus 9 3 3 जा 9 3 जा 27. या फिलहाल मैं इसको ऐसा लिख रहा हूँ, फिलहाल साइड कर दो, 3 3 जा 9 3 जा 27. कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है आपको, इसलिए मैंने इसको ऐसा लिखा है 27. तो व्हाट इज आवर आंसर? तो कितना हो जाएगा? दिस पार्ट वी नीड and the remaining part x and x cancel, then plus x cube plus 1 by 25 x cube, then plus 3 upon 5 and the x plus 1 by 5x plus 1 by 5x is equal to 3 equal to 27. So then x cube plus 1 by 25 x cube is equal to 27. This part is 3 3 is 9 upon 5 and taking right hand side, so minus 9 by 5, minus 9 by 5. तो LCM कितना हो गया आपके? 5 हो गया और 27 5 का 105, सॉरी नहीं 5 7 5 का 35 कैरी 3 5 2 जा 10 and 3 13 and minus. Okay, so what is our answer? Answer is 124 by 5. 124 by 5 and 124 by 5 if you want to, नहीं कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, नहीं 125 नहीं सॉरी 126 by 5 and I already told to you this is positive negative, so finally here our answer will be positive and negative and answer is given in your book, that is in the mixed fractional form. So mixed fractional form, so then it is 5 25 5 is 125, the quotient is 25, remainder is 1, so we can write this part is 25 whole 1 upon 5, 25 whole 1 upon 5, 25 whole 1 upon 5 is the answer of this question. Okay, so hope you understood this thing. Now the last okay, so now sir it is the session of the next class and last fifth part is remaining, so please check the example based on this question. This is a very simple one question, कोई problem नहीं होगी, but if there is problem in the tomorrow lecture I will take this single one question 5 and this exercise, this chapter is finished. Okay, chapter is finished. Now tomorrow I will start our new chapter, that is our factorization. So thanks for watching this video, please share this video. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet again and please send your work in the WhatsApp group.